Hey loves, let me show y'all how I make my press-on nails last for 3 weeks. Okay, so you're going to need some acetone nail polish remover, or you can use rubbing alcohol, as well as a little cotton pad or cotton ball. You'll also need a good file, a cuticle pusher, and some nail hardener, as well as your press-on nails, and some cuticle oil, and a base and top coat, as well as your glue. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey, it's me, Chic, aka LAL. Y'all, we are going to get started. We have clean hands, of course. We are grabbing this acetone nail polish remover, or like I said, you can use rubbing alcohol if you don't have this. You're going to take your alcohol pad or cotton ball, and it's important to remove any of the excess oils and anything sticky, any product residue, lotions, or anything like that from the nail bed and around the cuticles, so it's gonna look a little dry and crusty, but that's okay. But yeah, y'all get the drill. Pretty straightforward. I'm taking this nail file and I'm going to go over my nails with this, and this just makes the press-on nails adhere. They get a better grip on the nail, and this is definitely an important step. You don't want to miss this if you want your nails to last long. And you don't have to be super rough. Don't beat them things down. Love your nails. But you're going to take some more acetone nail polish remover or your alcohol and just wipe off any excess dust. Okay, so we're going to use these Kiss Salon acrylic French nails in long. They are curved. And y'all, they do have like a duck shape. I don't know if y'all remember how the duck nails, they look kind of crazy back in the day, and I was one who rocked them. But we're not going to use this glue, so just put that aside. But yeah, these are really durable and sturdy. They're good and strong. So and as far as the shape, all you need is a file, so don't freak out about that. I ordered these from Amazon. I will drop the link for everything down below. Before we do that, we're going to get these cuticles pushed back. I like that really, salon manicured look when I do my press-on nails. So yes, pushing back thy cuticles is a must, honey. Okay, so cuticles are all pushed back. It's time just to go ahead and select the proper sizes for each nail. And once we're done with that, I'm going to show y'all how this is done. Y'all, I decided to make some adjustments to my press-on nail application because it just wasn't giving the way I needed it to give. And so yeah, I'm gonna link down below sis video because she got me right. So I did change some of the steps, and I will be showing y'all. So this is an updated long-lasting press-on nail video, so keep that in mind. Alright, so we good with our sizes pretty much. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and use our Hard as Nails by Sally Hansen, and we're going to apply that. You don't need to be too heavy when applying this to the nail, but this right here, this is a big difference, so you will not want to skip this step. And I made sure that I went and got the exact nail hardener that she used in her video, and like I said, I'm going to link it down below. But don't be too heavy with this. And also, when you do glue down the nails, you are going to want to hold them down for at least 30 seconds. It does sound long, but you do not want to skip this step, and you do not want to skip holding the nail down. And you will want to wait just a little bit before you start filing, just to make sure that your nail is dry and secure. I have tried just about every glue there is to try on the market, especially at pharmaceutical stores like CVS, Walgreens, stuff like that. But you want to go to Sally Beauty and cop this Beauty Secrets glue, okay? I believe it cost me under $4 here in Vegas, but it depends on your area, and prices are always subject to change. But you want this glue right here. This glue is the bee's knees, okay? Yes. So we're going to apply this glue. You want to be sure to apply enough glue, not too much to where it's overflowing, a dot on your nail. And then you want to push the nail into your nail bed and then lay it down. And when you press it down, you want to make sure your finger is sort of away from the cuticle area of your nail quite a bit, so if the glue oozes out, your finger ain't stuck. But yeah, y'all, I don't want any dip flu symptoms, so I hate using glue sometimes. When I go to the nail salon and everything, I'm usually good. I don't have any issues. I don't get any sores, redness, itchy, nothing like that ever. I sneeze and get a stuffy nose, just basically sinus symptoms. But y'all, make sure when you do this that you do hold the nail down. You press on it for 30 seconds, okay? That's important. It seems long, but you would love me if you take that tip, okay? Let me tell you, this glue has some serious suction. You heard me? This glue is really good. And I've been trying so many different glues. I'm like, where have you been all my life? And I've been going to Sally's, and I ain't know this. So thank you, sis, for putting me on. Like I said, I'm going to drop her link down to her video below. But, yeah. And y'all, you know what else? I did not have a severe, reaction. I wasn't sneezing like crazy when I put them on. When I woke up in the morning, I was a little bit congested, but when I tell you it was like a dream compared to what I had been through each time I had used glue ever since I was younger. Because I remember I used to try to put super glue on the end of my braids when I would put actual braids in my hair, and let me tell you, I always got those same symptoms. No breakouts, no cuts, no scrapes, no bruising, nothing like that. Just a stuffy nose. But now we're going to go ahead and file these little duck-shaped things down, because right now they ain't giving what they need to give, child. They're giving quack quack. So now we're going to apply our base and top coat. I got this Amy Lee set. It's the base and top coat that comes together as a little pair set. And I really like this. It's important that you do apply the base coat first so that your top coat won't peel off. It will, literally after a few days, especially after you're washing your hands, it will literally start peeling off to where you have to tug on it and pull it off and reapply it. So putting the base coat on first, and then, I like to put mine for a minute and just know that the base coat will be a little tacky. But, yeah, it'll be a little tacky. But, for 1 minute, I put it under my little Modelone's lamp and let it do its thing. And when it's set and it's ready, then I go in and apply the top coat. And I do each one for the 60 seconds. So okay, so base coat is cured. Now it's time to take the top coat, the Amy Lee top coat, and we're gonna go ahead and glaze these girls up. Yes, we are gonna get these girls fine. Yeah, I love, there's something about the shine, especially on, when you're doing a French tip look. I love the shine. So I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds, one more again, and then we're going to go in with our cuticle oil. I got this milk and honey cuticle oil from Amazon, so that's what I'm using. I love this. It's really, really nice cuticle oil. So like I said, I'll link everything down below for you cuties. And voila, all done with this hand. I'm not going to make y'all sit while I do the other hand, but this is the finished look of both hands. Y'all, don't these look really good? I love them, and they feel really, really strong and secure. And I hope y'all try it. Come back and let me know how it works for y'all, okay? I love y'all so much, my loves. Be blessed, be positive, stay safe. Later.